Imagine hitting the open road on 3 wheels with your entire home right behind you. Not a trailer, not a van, but an all-in-one camper trike that turns heads and rewrites the rules of travel. This isn't some distant concept, it's the 2026 Camper Trike, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. Welcome back to Car Vibes, your home for the most insane, innovative, and downright cool vehicles in the world. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because trust me, you don't want to miss what we've got coming. Let's dive into what makes this machine a total game changer, starting with the front design. The moment you see it, you know it means business. A sharp, aerodynamic front end hugs the road, with blade-style LED headlights stretching across like something out of a sci-fi movie. The matte finish combined with chrome accents gives it a sleek, premium edge, while the oversized touring forks add a bold, muscular feel. Move toward the rear and things take a dramatic turn, literally. The back expands into a smooth, pod-like camper unit, seamlessly integrated with the trike's body. Dual wide tires provide balance and that low-slung cruiser look. The taillights? Sleek red LED strips that fade into the curve of the camper shell. There's even a rooftop solar panel built in for charging up your systems on the go. Step inside and the interior design will blow your mind. They've packed a compact living space into the smallest footprint possible and made it actually feel cozy. There's a convertible bed-to-sofa setup, a kitchenette with a collapsible sink and stove, and enough storage space for road trip essentials. Touch-sensitive lights, built-in speakers, climate controls, and a digital panel that runs everything from your battery levels to window tints. It's smart, efficient, and perfect for solo or duo travel. Under the body, this thing is just as impressive. The 2026 Camper Trike runs on a hybrid 1,100 cubic centimeters engine paired with electric assist. That gives it enough power to cruise comfortably at 75 miles per hour and enough torque to handle backroad hills without breaking a sweat. The electric mode is whisper quiet, perfect for early morning exits or saving gas when you're cruising through town. Plus, regenerative braking helps keep the battery topped up while you're on the move. Now, let's talk about what it costs to ride this futuristic dream. Base models start at $28,500, which gets you the essentials: hybrid engine, solar roof, and the core camper setup. Want all the upgrades, enhanced interior, premium sound, off-road wheels, or a bigger solar rig? Fully loaded, you're looking at just under $35,000. Not bad at all when you're basically buying freedom on wheels. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Camper Trike the future of solo road trips and off-grid adventure? Could you see yourself rolling into the sunset on one of these? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let us know where your first trip would be. Thanks for watching.